What if I told you there's an app that can turn your Android device into a powerful download machine? This is Downloader by AFTV News, and it's much more than just a simple browser. The app lets you download files directly from the internet using URLs, making it incredibly useful for installing APK files, especially on Android TV devices where downloading apps isn't always easy. It also includes a built-in browser, supports bookmarks, and even lets you enter links quickly using a remote control. The biggest advantage is how lightweight, fast, and easy it is to use. It's one of the most trusted tools for side-loading apps and works smoothly on phones, tablets, and Android TV. On the downside, it doesn't magically download videos from every website, and some downloads may be blocked depending on the source. Also, since you're downloading files manually, you should always make sure they're coming from trusted websites. Overall, if you often install APKs or download files directly from the web, Downloader is definitely one of the best free apps you can have on your Android device.